Stick's masterpiece. Sad little Stick gazed up in fear. Where could she even start? This huge entire page was hers, but she could not do art. Sad Stick sat down and hung her head. A tear began to fall. Just then a tiny bird flew near and gave a hungry call. I'm sorry, I can't help you, bird. I'm just the me you see. I cannot paint a feast for you. Oh, what good can I be? The little bird, he bumped Stick's brush and made a golden spot. He scooped it in his beak and chomped and waited for more dots. A masterpiece she could not paint, but birdseed she could try. And so she dabbed some yellow spots beneath the empty sky. Just then a streak of blue appeared, high on her page above, a brilliant, vivid, joyful blue of courage, strength, and love. She did not see her colored sky, but Stick now had a plan. Perhaps her art was needed here, so off to paint she ran. A blanket for the chilly bear, a piece of string for fox, some cotton balls for dinosaur, for centipede some socks. Just then she saw her simple shapes had beauty past her skill. She did not ever want to rest. So much to do here still. As she ran from here to there, she brushed and stroked along. As she ran from here to there, she played and learned and made new friends. She skipped and sang her song. The more she brushed, the more she saw. She knew what she could be. She bit her lip and twirled her tongue and worked more thoughtfully. The sun was setting. It was time. She had to finish now. But even in that twilight dim, it was her best work somehow. All out of paint, so tired too. Stick closed her little eyes, and fast asleep she peacefully went and dreamt of rainbowed skies. When morning came, she woke and saw, was greeted by the sun. Her lines and shapes were so much more. Her masterpiece was done. The end.